What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 apps that pay $100 a day on your phone. If that sounds good to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 apps that pay $100 a day on your phone. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And I always like to give away free money. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I tell you about these 3 apps, I want you to take a peek down in the description below. Check out where it says free giveaways. Now, these free giveaways will help you on your journey to making money online. Now, to get these free giveaways, you have to be subscribed to my channel. So once you subscribe to my channel, just go down there, click on that link, and you will go to a website and you will see the free gifts that you can download and have today. I also have this link you can click on that will help you get more views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. It's a free tool and it's free to download right now. So check out that link also in the description too. And lastly, click on the link where it says sign up now and get paid money. So all you have to do is just sign up and you get paid just like that. All right, please watch this video to the very end so you will know all the 3 apps that you can download today and start making that money. And I also have something special I want to tell you guys too at the end of this video. So watch it all the way to the end. Alright, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you these 3 apps right now. So let's grind and let's get it.
Alright, I'm on the internet and I'm at the first app. And it's called Handy. So you go to handy.com and it says here, the easy, reliable way to take care of your home. So what this app does is hire people to fix things at people's homes. So it says here, instantly book highly rated pros for cleaning and handyman tasks at a fixed price. So if you're good at doing handy things around the house, cleaning and everything, this is the app for you. All right, let's just go here and where it says become a professional. All right, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to sign up to become a professional. So it says here, gain access to hundreds of jobs in your city and build your own schedule. So you sign up right there. And let's read a little bit about what the pay rate is. So it says here, make up to $22 an hour per job as a cleaner, or $45 an hour per job as a handyman. Our top professionals make more than $1,000 a week. And you have flexible hours. You can have flexible schedule, so you can set your own hours. You choose. So it says here, you choose when you work, when you want to work, and how much. Build a full schedule of your customers, or simply add a few jobs on the side. Easy payments. No more tracking down your customers for payments. Your payments are direct deposit into your bank account soon after the job is complete. and here's some of what the professionals are saying. I moved from an agency to Handy last month. They pay better, have plenty of jobs, and love the flexibility. And here's the requirements down here. Must have paid experience in cleaning or handyman services. Must be authorized to work in the country you are applying in, and must have excellent customer service skills. So if you're interested in this, you could download this app in Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Now let's go to the next app. All right, I'm at the second app. It's called Book Scouter. Now, it says here, buy and sell textbooks for the best price. So, I see I do get a lot of students on my that looks at my videos, that leaves comments down below. So, this is the app for you guys. You can use this app to sell your old textbooks. So if you're just getting out of school, you're not going to use that textbook anymore, you can use this app. So it says right here, why use Book Scouter? Book Scouter helps you sell textbooks and used books for the most money by comparing offers from over 35 book buyback vendors with a single search. So you can search for books here, and you can see sell a book on here, even comic books, $30. Medical books, $25. So this is available on iOS and Android. And here's the requirements to be eligible for a scholarship. So right now they have $500 quarterly book scholarships. So Book Scouter is sponsoring a textbook scholarship. Each quarter we will award a student with $500 scholarship to be used towards purchasing their textbooks. And here's the qualifications. Currently enrolled in a accredited university. Complete the full questionnaire. Post a video on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter with your scholarship, your name, your major, and most expensive textbook you have to buy and its price. And it says here, if you are rewarded the scholarship, you must complete a short interview about yourself and your academic plans. So they even got a scholarship they're giving out if you use this app to sell books. All right, so if you're interested in this app and got some textbook to sell, go ahead and download this. Again, it's called Book Scouter. Now let's go to the third and final app. All right, here's the third and final app called Dosh. And that's DOSH. And it says here, cash back automatically. It's not points, it's not coupons, just cold hard cash. Now, I may have talked about this in one of my earlier videos, but I want to bring this up again because this app, you can make up to $100 a day if you use it every day and use it to its fullest capability of making money. So it's available on the Apple Store and Google Play Store. So it says here, connect your card, securely link your credit card, debit cards. Whenever you pay with your linked card, Dosh gets you cash back. So shop and dine out, pay with your linked card. Pay with your linked card at 1,000 stores and restaurants, and get paid to refer. You can also get paid to refer, and also transfer your cash. So do what you want and transfer your cash to your bank account, or PayPal. So it says down here, real people, real cash, real difference. And this is what somebody that says that's using the app. Every time I use Dosh, I want to tell more people this app is a no-brainer. Now I have extra cash to do something awesome with my family. So it's got bank level security, so it's very secure to use. And all right, that's it about this app. If you want to learn more about this app, just go to dosh.com or just go into the Apple Store or Google Play Store and download the app and start getting cash back every time you use your debit or credit card. And you can make up to $100 a day if you use your card a lot. All right, that's it.
All right, now you know the 3 apps you can download today and start making that $100 every day. So right after this video, go install those 3 apps and start making that money. Now, thank you for watching this video to this point. As promised, let me tell you about the special offer I have for you guys. Now, if you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with free money. Yes, free money. And all you have to do is just leave a comment down below in this video and all my videos is leading up to the 500 subscriber video. I'm currently at 343, so I don't have that far to go. It's going a little bit slow, but with your help, guys, I know I can get there. So new people, please subscribe right now. So what I'm going to do is once I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and reward the first person with $20 cold hard cash via PayPal or a $20 Amazon gift card. The choice is yours. Then the second person, I'm going to reward them with $10 cash via PayPal. And all you have to do is just leave that comment down below and make sure you subscribe. Alright, that's all I have for this video. Again, please smash that like button. Drop a comment down below. Share this on social media everywhere. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Because I make videos like this every day. Alright, I'm done. I'm finished. It's a wrap. But you don't have to leave just yet. You can stay here and watch my most recent video right here. Right after I tell you this. Get your grind on. Because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces.